Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pre-workout beetroot juice. This powerful drink is known for its ability to naturally boost your athletic performance. Beetroot juice works by increasing nitric oxide in your body, which helps improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to your muscles. This can lead to better endurance and less fatigue during your workouts. It's a simple, natural way to give yourself an edge, and you can easily make it at home in just a few minutes. Let's get started with the ingredients you will need. To make this energizing pre-workout drink, you will need just a few fresh ingredients. Start with 2 to 3 medium-sized beetroots, which are the star of our show. For a touch of natural sweetness and to balance the earthy flavor, add 1 small apple or a handful of your favorite berries. A 1-inch piece of fresh ginger is excellent for its anti-inflammatory properties, and half a lemon or lime will brighten the taste and provide a good dose of vitamin C. These simple items are all you need. Now let's get to the easy preparation steps. First, thoroughly wash and peel your beetroots, then chop them into smaller, manageable pieces. Next, core your apple and cut it into chunks, or if you are using berries, simply give them a good wash. Peel the 1-inch piece of ginger and the half lemon. Once all your ingredients are prepped, gather them together. You are now ready to combine everything in your high-speed blender or juicer for the next step. Finally, it's time to blend and enjoy your homemade pre-workout. Add your prepped ingredients to the blender, along with about 1 cup of water to help with the blending process. Blend everything until the mixture is completely smooth, which usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. For a smoother consistency, you can strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve. Drink this vibrant, fresh juice 30 to 60 minutes before your workout to maximize its performance-boosting benefits. Enjoy your natural energy boost.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.